What is going on? Hope you're doing well out there. I just finished up a workout. Wanted to hop on real quick and share some thoughts with you guys about my YouTube journey so far. Just wanted to give you a little quick, I guess, piece of motivation. And really just surrounding getting started on YouTube. I think that I saw a stat recently that was like 5% of all people on the internet are creating videos or creating content on the internet. And that just got me thinking, like, I was once one of those 95% that wasn't creating anything, wasn't posting anything to YouTube, you know, wasn't sharing my thoughts at all. And slowly but surely I've kind of gotten out of my comfort zone, gotten out of my shell, and started to share my life with you. And it's just been super rewarding. I'm not monetized, obviously, so it's not rewarding in the aspect of like getting cash flow and getting paid for doing this content, but it's really rewarding being able to step out of my comfort zone and share with you my life and what motivates me, and help you become more motivated in your life, and hopefully push you to be your best self and everything. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. I just had a crazy workout. But anyways, I just wanted to pass this message along and hopefully motivate you to step out of your shell, step out of your comfort zone, and try something new. For me, it's been YouTube, and I think that there's a huge opportunity for you out there to do the same and just share your life and share your stories, your experiences, your interests, your hobbies with the world, and show everybody, you know, a little bit about yourself. So it's not hard, it's scary a little bit, it's intimidating, it can be. So yeah, for what it's worth, I just wanted to hop on here and share my thoughts with you and hopefully motivate you to get started if you haven't already. So that's what this channel's all about. It's my journey on getting started. It's my journey with this M4, and sorry, my arm's getting tired. And really just, I guess, my story. I haven't really told any of my friends or family that I'm doing this, and I've been told that you shouldn't. I've been told that you should just keep it to yourself, and that's kind of what I'm doing. So yeah, I don't know, just some thoughts I wanted to share with you. So with that being said, I'm gonna take the whip back home, cook some dinner. I hit back and biceps today, and it was a great workout. So with that being said, thanks for watching. So just wanted to hopefully give you a little motivation to get started on maybe something that you're interested in doing but haven't had the chance to get started on, or haven't had the courage to get started on, or maybe you're stuck in a loop like I was, and you know, maybe it's time to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. So if that's the case, this message is for you. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you supporting my hobbies and the channel at Freezy M4. And yeah, without further ado, let's hit the road. Find something you love, you know, that's, I think, the main thing. For me, I really just, this was my dream car for a long time, and I finally saved up for it and made the jump, bought it, and never looked back. And I'm just really excited to document it and share my story with you, and that's kind of my whole theme here, I think, with this video, is just find something you love and share it with the world. You know, what's the worst that can happen? Nobody watches your videos, and then slowly but surely you build up a community that does, and you know, the best that could happen is you change your whole life forever. Welcome to my TED Talk. I'll shut up and drive and let you hear the engine a little bit. But yeah, that's not. I think my main point here is like, we're still very early in the stages of YouTube. I think that we can all be very successful if we just start now, and if we start documenting our main hobbies, you know. I think like whatever it may be, video games, sports, highlights, crafts, you know, your pets, it can be anything. And creating a community around you of people that are also interested in the same thing. And I think you'd be surprised what, you know, how successful you can be. And you know, it's not for everybody. Obviously, content creation is not for everybody, but I think that it's a cop. I don't like that. Content creation is not for everybody, and I'll make sure I come to a full stop so I don't get pulled over. And I think we're good. But my main thing is, I think we're still so early in the internet of things, and like we're still so early on this whole idea of decentralizing off of mainstream media and putting more power into content creators' hands, so that, you know, you think about 20 years ago, 30 years ago, you know, people only got their news from mainstream media or the newspaper. And, you know, now look where we're at today. entertainment and everything and all that. You know, the growth on YouTube is crazy, and I just want everybody to you know, just know that if you're interested, now's the time. So I'll leave you guys with that. I appreciate you for watching, and I thank you for tuning in and supporting the channel. And if you haven't already, you know, subscribe, join the fam, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and if this resonated with you, I'd love to hear it. So with that being said, I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.